Die nuwe minister van Landbou, Visserye, Water en Grondhervorming het vandag al nuwe minister en adjunk bekendgestel en die adjunkminister Ruth Masake is pas terug van die Zambesi streek waar sy gaan ondersoek instel het hoe lyk die plaag van die rooi sprinkane. So sy is pas terug en dan Mac Albert Hengari is die nuwe minister en hy het sy top 10 prioriteite bekendgestel wat insluit grondhervorming, nuwe waterinfrastruktuur, visserye wat nou onder hulle val en dan het hy gesê wat grondhervorming aanbetref. Hy het geen probleem daarmee dat grond toegewys word aan mense nie, maar daai stuk grond moet produktief aangewend word.
Should be how many farmers are we moving from subsistence to commercial, and how many commercial farmers are we moving from national competitiveness to global competitiveness. Then we know that our job is done.
Die Arabiese burgerlugvaartowerheid is onlangs aangewys as die beste burgerlugvaartowerheid in Afrika, dit by Lugvaartweek wat vanjaar in Zambië aangebied is. So die NCAA, dit is die burgerlugvaartowerheid, se hoof vir lugnavigasiedienste Hilma Lennert het die media toegespreek tydens 'n geleentheid waar hulle hierdie toekenning tuisgebring.
Wow, here that we are going to maintain this to be the best in Africa. And if you look even at systems, when we implemented CAGE, Namibia was the third country in Africa to implement CAGE. It was only Morocco, Namibia, and South Africa. So when we say we are the best, don't underestimate yourself. Namibia is the best. We've got the best. And you work so hard during the audit. Sleepless night. You have put in the effort. And this is the symbol of your effort. In Africa, there is what you don't see yourself when you are doing well. To tell you the truth, you don't see yourself when you are doing well. But people there, they look, they see what you are doing, and they recognize you. And this is what is happening here today. We are being recognized because of our hard work, our commitment, and we continue to improve our service because we are not going to here. We need to go to 9-something, our EI. We must improve. We must address all our findings. We must address all our gaps and go to 9-something with our EI, please.
Namibië is sedert gister al in